What you do is you focus on one area. Focus one area at a time and go deep. Don't go wide, go deep. How many of you would love to say you took 3 listings in the last 5 days? Well, that's exactly what happened with one of the agents in our office that I've been coaching, and has been really consuming a lot of our content in terms of strategy and tactics. So I just kind of want to share with you what he's doing to get that many listings. And I'd also like to say that this agent that just took 3 listings in the last 5 days, he's only been licensed for 4 to 5 months. So if he can do it, anyone can do it. So let's just talk about what did he do? What did he do? I wrote some notes down here. How did he do it? Number one, he shows up for all of the coaching calls that we have within our team, within our company. He just seems to show up and focus on learning new strategies and learning new tactics. Now, it takes a little bit more than just showing up. He has to also execute immediately. So what he's doing is he's just dedicated himself to become a learner of the business. And you don't have to figure out how to get business. It's already figured out. You just have to have somebody walk you through the process. And he's staying committed to that. In other words, instead of trying to figure out how to be the resource, he's being resourceful, just absorbing the coaching that I'm giving him, the company coaching. The second thing is he's following a program that I created called a community domination plan. You know, if you will focus on one community at a time. Now, you may focus on one and then another, but what you do is you focus on one area. Focus one area at a time and go deep. Don't go wide, go deep, and focus on dominating. Get a 20% market share for one community. And you do that by building a database and nurturing that database. But nurturing, I know everyone's doing that. Set it, forget it, put it in your CRM. And let it go. You got to do more than that. It's got to be multi-channel marketing. In other words, you got to hit them from more than one CRM, more than one system, things like HomeBot, et cetera. HomeBot is something that we give to our agents for free. And so he's putting them in all those systems and focusing on running our community domination plan. And now he's getting people to call him back as quickly as 4 to 5 months of being newly licensed. And the next thing is I see that his commitment is extremely high for lead generation on a daily basis. He allocates a few hours every day, typically in the morning, and focuses on lead generation. Yeah, sometimes he's making prospecting calls. Sometimes he's doing other things that more are passive approaches to lead generation. Sometimes it may be a FSBO. Sometimes it might be old buyer leads, etc. He's just doing lead generation activities a few hours every single day. And what's magical about what he's doing is he shows up every day. It's consistency. That's how he's doing it. The agent is 4 to 5 months in the business. So a lot of you may have a lot more knowledge than he does, but what he's doing is being consistent. Again, just following our coaching program. So if you just look at that, you kind of follow a community domination plan. You show up every single day for yourself and do some lead generation activities, whatever generation activities you're comfortable with, and then make sure that you're consuming coaching. Our coaching is designed to be based on strategies and tactics that help you get more listings or convert more buyers. I hope you find that helpful. My name's Greg Harrelson. I've got companies, Century 21 offices in Greenville, South Carolina, Spartanburg, Myrtle Beach, Columbia, Charleston, Wilmington, North Carolina, Conway, South Carolina. We're spread out through the Carolinas. If you're anywhere in the Carolinas and would like to boost your production, learn how to take more listings, I'd like to personally coach you. Reach out to me. Talk to you soon.